So you want to become a virtual assistant, but you are stuck at what should I offer? What are the most profitable virtual assistant skills or virtual assistant services to be offered today? In this video, we will go over top 8 virtual assistant services that you can sell and earn up to $100 an hour or more. Now, if you are a beginner and you have no idea how to start your VA business, you should absolutely watch the video where I talk about a step-by-step 4-week launch plan for you. You can see the link on the screen right now. Open it in a new tab so you can watch it after this video. Now, getting back to the most profitable virtual assistant services, I went over my 20 favorite Facebook groups I'm a part of to find out what bloggers and other business owners are looking for constantly and frequently posting jobs for. There are just so many Facebook groups, but just look at these two groups. The first one is Virtual Assistant Savvies. The second one is Boss Moms. Now just search for the job ops or hire in the search section of the Facebook group and you can find all these virtual assistant job opportunities quickly. If you want to know about all these Facebook groups that I'm talking about where so many business owners hang out, let me know in the comments below. I will make another video and walk you through all these amazing Facebook groups that can help you land some awesome clients. Now, hi guys, I am Chavi, owner of Mrs. Taku and a work from home expert. If you are interested in videos about making money from home and living a location independent life, what are you waiting for? Hit the red icon below and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. The first virtual assistant service that I want to talk about is inbox management and customer service. Now, emails are the single most important thing in a business, and yet it can take up the most of your time. It is the most time-consuming thing ever. This is the reason why business owners, bloggers look to outsource inbox management to virtual assistants like you. Your job would be to segregate important mails from the unimportant ones, draft responses to emails, manage emails from customers, reminding your client to take calls or answer certain emails, etc. You can start at $15 to $20 per hour for this virtual assistant service. The next one is Pinterest management. The second most popular virtual assistant services is all about Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is a great source for selling products, services, as well as driving traffic back to your website or your store. However, Pinterest can take up a lot of your time. So business owners want to bring in an expert and give this part of handling growing Pinterest accounts to them completely and take them off their plates entirely. Your job as a Pinterest manager or virtual assistant who helps with Pinterest can be handling and managing the entire account, helping with Pinterest marketing strategies, creating new pins each week, writing descriptions, applying to group boards, scheduling them on Tailwind, etc. It is completely okay if you're not an expert in managing Pinterest. Nobody was. They started somewhere and learned along the way. The best way is to buy an ebook which can teach you best tactics of how Pinterest works. I recommend buying Carly's Pinteresting Strategies or Megan's Pinterest course. Both of them are really amazing. I have personally taken both of them and they have really helped me grow my Pinterest account quickly. Links to both of them are in the description box below, so you can go check them out. You can also watch my video on how to make money on Pinterest to understand some of the basics of how this works. You can see this link on the screen right now. You can check out that video and learn more about Pinterest. The next one is podcast management. There are so many business owners who are now starting their own podcasts. And they need help with a variety of things, including editing, transcribing, publishing, distribution, embedding into their posts, getting guests on board, etc. Now, if you are doing audio editing, you can expect to make $50 to $125 per episode. And if you are into guest management, you can earn somewhere around $25 to $40. In short, as a podcast virtual assistant, you can make $25 to $150 per hour, depending on the kind of services and the experience that you have. The next one is Funnel Expert. Now, these virtual assistants help businesses sell their products, ebooks, courses, or physical products. It could be anything. Your job would be to create sequences that can nurture cold leads into warm leads and eventually make them buyers. Now, funnel experts can make up to $100 per hour or more. The next one is bookkeeping. Small businesses or bloggers that are growing are now looking for help with bookkeeping. So if you are a numbers person and you are willing to learn bookkeeping, you can earn as much as $80 to $100 per hour easily as a beginner bookkeeper. The next one is copywriting. This is definitely one of the most highly paid and in-demand virtual assistant skills today and in the years to come. Remember, copyright is extremely different from content writing or freelance writing, which is also an in-demand service as a virtual assistant, but we'll get to that in a minute. If you have the knack for persuasive writing or you're willing to invest in yourself to learn this skill properly, you can earn thousands of dollars for writing one single sales page. Yes, that is true. As a copywriter, you can be asked to write website copy, sales page, direct advertisements, ad copies, emails, etc. Your basic job is to get conversions and get people to buy. The next one is content writing. Now there are so many businesses and bloggers who need help with content, who keep asking for good writers. So if you can help them with writing blog posts, you can earn anywhere from 10 cents a word to 25 cents a word and more. You can watch the video on sites that pay you to write for them. Some of them pay $1,000 for 1,000-word articles. You can see the link on the screen right now, so go check that video out. If you learn the skills to find keywords and optimize these blog posts for organic traffic, you can demand a higher rate. The next one is website maintenance. Now, you know that not everyone who runs an online business is good with tech side of it. So if you are, you can offer tech services. Your job would be, for example, setting up plugins, updating them, working on site speed, setting up SSL certificates, etc. These are some of the top requested and trending VA services that I am looking at these days. If you think everything on this video is out of your reach, cut yourself some slack and take a chill pill. You can start with what you know, like basic admin skills, and work your way up by learning new skills on the side. Now watch my video on free work from home courses, where I talk about free courses that you can take to learn all the skills that we have talked about. Check the link on the screen right now and go watch it. Thank you guys. This is it for today. You can see multiple videos on how to become a successful virtual assistant and find virtual assistant jobs on the screen right now. You can now proceed to watching them so you know exactly how to become a profitable VA in lesser amount of time and be location independent. If you are new to my channel, I talk about how to make money online and live a location independent life. So if you are interested, do not forget to hit the red icon below, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment letting us know how we can help you. I'll see you in a few days. Till then, bye-bye.